to our vlog from Sri Lanka.
Yes, we arrived yesterday and today we had our first surfing lesson and it went pretty okay, I think.
Okay, yes, okay.
Yeah.
It's very difficult, so much harder than I thought it would be.
Yes, but we both made some waves with help from our instructor.
Yeah, he's very good.
Yeah.
I need him.
Yeah.
He's never going to leave me.
No.
I won't let him.
So this week we're gonna show you all the stuff we're gonna do through the week, from surfing to
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka life.
And the beach life, and
Yes.
we're going to a national park, and we're going to do so much fun stuff.
So stay with us through the week.
Back at the camp to take a shower and update my blog,
Yes.
which you all have to read, by the way.
We just came back from the beach.
Yes.
Day 1 at the beach.
I'm still very, very pale.
And I'm a bit red
Yeah.
at my cheeks.
Yeah. The plans for this evening is to eat dinner, and that's it.
Yes, chill day, because tomorrow in the morning we have another surf lesson.
At 9, breakfast at 8. So it's long days.
Yes, we're gonna be old couple.
Old couple.
Old couple.
An old couple. Yeah.
Like we do every day.
Yes.
So it's gonna be early evening.
But now it's heavy to hold this camera, so bye!
Our second day. And another 2 hours of surfing.
Yes.
It was a bit harder today because we have to find the waves ourselves and do everything ourselves. But we made it.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Not every time.
One time.
Yeah. And now we're gonna head for the beach and get even more red.
Yeah. But first we're going to eat lunch here at camp, and
Yes.
we'll show you what we eat. This is our 4th day
Yeah.
in Sri Lanka, and actually our 3rd day with surfing, but we don't feel so good.
No, we took a day off.
Yeah.
Slept long and we needed that. So maybe we're gonna go for some surfing later today.
Yeah.
By ourselves. So you can see that later.
Maybe.
Maybe. Hopefully.
Hopefully. And now we'll go out and find some breakfast and
Yeah, I'm so
go
hungry.
to the beach.
Mm-hmm.
But before that, we are going inside to book a trip to
Yeah.
the national park, which we'll go to tomorrow. And that will be very fun, I think.
Mm-hmm. So too.
Yeah, that's good. So, just follow our day.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened when we tried to eat breakfast?
Well, we arrived at the place and it was closed, so we have to walk back to the beach. But we found an even more beautiful place. You can see for yourself.
It's a great view. beach where we love it and we want to stay right here forever. And Morten has hurt himself a lot.
Yeah, I hurt my
during
leg.
surfing and everything, so his legs are not very good. You poor thing.
Yeah, it's hard to be a surfer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had a little photo shoot and now we're at the beach again.
Yes.
But this time to see the sunset. Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, just our luck. There's so many clouds and the sun is way back there, so we won't be able to see the sunset. Well, well.
Well, well.
Are you sad?
Very sad.
Very sad. Yeah, me too.
Good morning. We are now going to see the rainforest. So today is going to be a long day and maybe some rain. So let's go. We are now at the waterfall. 1.5 hours of walking in the jungle. And now we're finally here.
So we're going to jump in and go for a swim.
Yes.
Had breakfast, went surfing, and now we are going to the beach again. Because that's how Sri Lanka life is.
Yes.
Someone has not been very good at protecting their skin today. Look at this. All of your front body.
Yeah.
How did this go? Woo!
Don't use a children's surfboard if you're 1.9 meters tall.
And a beginner.
It's like wearing baby skis. We are done with the sun for today and it's raining now. No, it's just cloudy.
Yeah.
So we are hungry and going out on a date night.
Yay!
She has dressed up.
We're eating Mexican food, which I love, so I'm very happy.
I'm gonna chug in on the tacos.
Yes.
And you?
Yeah, the same.
What you gonna eat? Tacos?
Taco.
Taco. Welcome to tacos night. And Italian.
Yeah, a good mix.
Yeah. Okay, I'm always buying these every place I go. I know it's a bit like a 80-year-old, but I'm 80 years old in my head.
now we're just staying inside our room.
Yeah.
As the boring people we are. Except you.
Except me.
Going out for a nice rainy shower.
Yeah. You just gotta enjoy it.
Yeah. Embrace the rain.
Yeah.
This is our last day. Our very last day.
Our very last day.
Are you ready to go home?
No, it's such a long journey.
Our last trip to the beach. Okay, it's actually not a
We
trip
need
to
to
the
go
beach.
down here one last time to say goodbye.
Ooh, look at
And look
that.
at those guys.
Yeah.
So we're
Okay.
leaving at the right day.
Bye, beach.
Bye, beach.